Hi, I'm Hannah Steeves Carney with Steeves Realty. Welcome to 330 Scotch Lake Road, a beautiful country bungalow in Scotch Lake, New Brunswick. From the welcoming entryway, we can go straight into the cozy living room. From the bright bay window to the cozy wood fireplace, this house makes you want to stay at home. From the formal dining room, you can go outside to the covered porch, which has access to the garage. The bright eat-in kitchen has beautiful views of the treed backyard. Off the kitchen, you've got main floor laundry, a half bath, or you can head outside. Off the entryway and to the left, you've got 2 bedrooms and a main bath. The sunny master bedroom has a walk-in closet and a cheater door to the half bath. The partially finished basement has a bonus room and a large family room. Thanks for watching. 330 Scotch Lake Road is listed with Steeves Realty.